Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a TPMS error on a Nissan Altima. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, is crucial for your safety and vehicle performance. First, locate the sticker on your driver's side door jamb. This provides the exact recommended tire pressure for your specific Altima model. It is important to check all 5 tires, including your spare, as an underinflated spare can also trigger the warning light. For most Nissan Altima models, the recommended tire pressure is around 32 psi. It is essential to check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, meaning your car hasn't been driven for at least 3 hours. Use a reliable tire gauge to measure the pressure. If a tire is low, add air in short bursts, checking the pressure frequently. If it's too high, gently press the valve stem to release air until it reaches the correct level. After adjusting your tire pressures, the TPMS light should ideally turn off on its own. If it doesn't, try driving your Altima at 50 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. This often allows the system to recalibrate. Another common method is to find the TPMS reset button, typically located under the steering wheel. Press and hold this button until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times, then release it. This can manually initiate a reset. If your TPMS light remains illuminated after trying these simple fixes, it might indicate a more complex issue. Often, the internal batteries in the TPMS sensors can die after about 5 to 8 years, requiring sensor replacement. A persistent light could also signal a damaged sensor or a slow leak that's hard to detect. In these cases, it's best to visit a qualified mechanic. They have specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact problem and perform necessary repairs, or a full system relearn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.